Haka arpunyo tering mentau benai ke Sorkar Jilla Lingba Katanat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Kalawan Shakhamat and Pynkup Burom ikikun Samla kenthe bachin rang kibla la ban pau and Tyngshaiñ. But kurru ikitakama ne kirinsa ne lumpung Ïalehkai kibla long haka samo Ïalehkai jong senyam ahaja khanyo khatpra. Yakni ka program Pynkup Burom la tip kum ka launching of cash award scheme kabla long hasosu tham auditorium. Kajing Pynkup Burom ka long ya art spotlight puengut kinong Ïalehkai ki bakin thup na do ka Olympics but ka non-Olympic discipline. Hakaliang ka Olympic discipline kinong Ïalehkai ki bla sha Pynkup Burom ki kinthup na do kinong Ïalehkai hakaji Ïalehkai climbing, athletics, archery, football, shooting, boxing, taekwondo but ka badminton. Kadba haka non-Olympic discipline par kinong Ïalehkai ki bla sha Pynkup Burom ki de ki bla pau bar khuri ki takma kum haka arm wrestling, kickboxing, Jeet Kune Do, Karate, Mixed Martial Arts, Bodybuilding, Muay Thai, but Karate Do. Ukongsan Blawan Banyadan lang hagan nikasni udah menteri rang ba kejelau karat kia sangma. Ukongsan benrap udah ba bantai do lingdo menteri badai pej Jakarta Sports and Youth Affairs. Ringkar kejadan lang ru Dr. Vijay Kumar D IAS ubla ai ru ya kejingkran mat phang.
So this is a very small way of thanking each and every one of you and congratulating each and every one of you for achieving what you have done with whatever little support that you receive from different individuals or organizations or government in whichever way possible, that you have been able to do so much. And hence this is nothing but a sense or a token of appreciation for the hard work that has been put in by you and for the laurels and the different medals that you have won for yourself, association, and as I said, representing the state also. So apart from the small cash awards that we have given, let us also take this opportunity and this moment to congratulate each other. So I would request all of you that let's give a round of applause to each and everyone who's present out here for doing what you have done of making each one of us proud. In this whole process, we also realize that associations have played a very important role. And as was mentioned by the Honorable Minister and also the Commissioner Secretary for Sports, that in the past, we have seen that the kind of support that needs to be given was not being given, and the engagement that we need to do with associations and sports persons was not being done at the scale that it should be done. And while I say that, I'm not trying to claim that we are doing a lot. There is a lot more to be done. What we are doing may be just, one step at a time, as mentioned by the Honorable Minister. But what I can tell you is we are in the right direction. What I can tell you is that this government does understand, appreciate the challenges you face, the opportunities that are there, and realize that we need to do more to be able to promote and push and give you that opportunity and chance to follow your passion the way you have been doing in the past.